doing a lot of damage. This in terms of flooding and the incredible amounts of record-setting rainfall that we're seeing. Positioned at 37.8 degrees north latitude, 75.2 degrees west longitude at 2 p.m. this afternoon, just east of Chincoteague, Virginia, in the eastern shore, and pushing central pressure at 974 millibars to 8.76 inches of mercury. The hurricane warnings up from Cape Charles, Light, Virginia, all the way up through Plymouth, Massachusetts, and as you go into the inland bays and more protected waters, we've got tropical storm warnings for those areas all the way from Merrimack River in Massachusetts all the way down to upper portions of the Chesapeake Bay as well. The tropical wind field, luckily the hurricane force winds, the vast majority offshore, but that of course all that doing is whipping around more of the storm surge and water flooding the low-lying coastal areas, and still some wind gusts already 40, 50 miles an hour up through the Delmarva Peninsula and heading up to the Jersey Shore. It's coming your way, New York City, and later on tonight and tomorrow morning, Boston. If there's a potential change for this track and timing, it would be in the timing, not so much the track, and you could see an extension just because of the lateral speed that Floyd is picking up. Maybe it's going to be moving out of the picture sooner as opposed to later. But it doesn't really matter right now. You're looking at some very, very heavy rainfall, and it won't move out of your way soon enough. Again, we are looking at rainfall inches 5 to 10 inches or more for many, many areas. That is our #1 concern as the system pulls on off to the New England area. But again, clearing behind there, so that is good news for those of you in Virginia looking at the flooded roadways. We also could have some locally heavy rains and storms out here from Arizona into New Mexico and north central portions of Texas, and some of those isolated storms could be on the strong side. In the Atlantic we go. There goes Floyd getting caught up in the trough, but here comes Hurricane Gert. So let's look at the latest from 11 o'clock this morning. 18.3 degrees north latitude, 52.9 west longitude, 570 miles east of the northern Leeward Islands. Category 4, a potent one at that, winds 145 miles an hour, moving west at 940 millibar on the central pressure. Now